Let's now discuss the police reforms. Nobel Prize laureate Roger Myerson said, "A state cannot achieve sovereign national authority without an ability to protect its citizens. Basic military control is not sufficient to provide such protection. It has to be complemented with an effective police and law enforcement." So what he is saying is that a good military, a great military will not be enough. You have to have an effective and efficient police force if you want to have a secure national environment. This module is based on a book on police reforms by Asia Society in New York City. So the recommendations of this society were that Police Order 2002 should be implemented all over the country. Unfortunately, this order, which was implemented in 2002 by the military government of General Musharraf, when the democratic governments came in 2008, almost all the provinces shifted back to the colonial police act that was from 19th century, and this act, which was much better than the last one, was discarded. Another recommendation was modification of the Evidence Act and High Court rules to convene incognito trials and to maintain the protection and identity of witnesses. Some progress has been made in this case, and there has been change in laws and rules to protect the identity of witnesses so that witnesses can come forward and give their views or give evidence against the accused fearlessly. Another recommendation was that the hiring system of the police should be changed and to make equal progress essential, and all sections of the societies can be recruited in police. An improvement in working conditions and salaries and change in organization culture was another recommendation. Salaries of police officers is a major problem. At the higher level, they have good salaries, almost equal to everybody else. But at the lower level, for example, at the policeman level, the salaries are low, the working conditions are not good, and this affects the performance of the overall police force. Another recommendation was that to check the police recommendation, a federal government should set up an independent police authority under a commission under a Supreme Court or High Court judge, which can take on any complaint against the police force anywhere in the country. There was also a recommendation about the training and curriculum change so that the needs of the vulnerable groups or marginalized groups should be clearly taught to the police. We have seen in case of gender policy and in case of criminal policy that police force is highly discriminatory against women. Similar is the case against children and minorities. They are not given due respect, and they are discriminated against in the police stations. So there is a need to increasingly force the police to come to terms for the equality of all kinds of citizens. Another recommendation was a VIP secret service, just like in the United States, so that police can work on its own job and not stand on the roads to protect the VVIPs and VIPs. Then there was also a recommendation of appointment of intelligence committees to look after the affairs of the intelligence agencies. Another recommendation was that there should be tenure security for all the high officers in the police. So all the IGPs and DIGs at the federal and provincial level should be given at least 2 or 3 years of tenure so they can work independently without political pressures. What is happening now, for example, currently in Punjab, is that in the last 1.5 years, we have the 5th IG police in Punjab. So this has to be stopped if we want to have an effective police force. Then, to stop terrorism, a special cadre of terrorism investigators and equipment should be done. There should also be a de-radicalization program for the terrorists. Another recommendation was to strengthen the cooperation between military and police. Unless both these forces trust each other, we can't have better law and order situation in the country. NACTA, which was established in the wake of APS Peshawar incident, has been there, but it has been non-functional. It was recommended that NACTA may be made functional, and there should be a greater cooperation between the donors and local law enforcement agencies. The role of law and private sector should also be enhanced, like in case of the Citizen Police Liaison Committee in Karachi. And finally, bigger budgets and more research is to be done to make the police service more effective. Thank you.